Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. A friend of mine recently said, why don't you do something Christmassy for your channel? I thought I would go somewhere in the middle and go with Yorkshire puddings. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you. To begin with today, we need 140 grams of plain flour. We're then going to add 4 eggs and 200 ml of milk. You can add seasoning. I've done salt and pepper for mine. It's up to you what you want to do. Just make sure your mixture is nice and smooth before you put it in your cupcake or muffin tray. Normally you are supposed to heat the oil before you add your mixture. I personally don't, just because I know what I'm like and I don't want to risk hot oil everywhere. We are then going to preheat our oven at 210 degrees Celsius and cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're looking at batch cooking these, because this mixture will probably make more like 20 to 24, I would recommend cooking them for 20, and then when you get them out the freezer to just cook them for 4 or 5 minutes. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you get on. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.